You have a van like this or something similar, and you want to install a toolbox on the roof. I'm going to show you step by step how you can do that. Before I show you how to install it in the Promaster CD, you have to buy 2 of these at least, or 3, depending on the amount of load that you're going to put on the rack, on the basket. So first you buy this. I'm going to try to leave in the video description. You buy this, you install it. So I'm going to show you before we move to the real thing. So basically you can take them, you can install them, you can remove them very easily. You have these type of things. So if you want to install something later like that, you can, but in this case I'm going to show you how I did it. So in this case, once you have it like this, after that you have to buy this. So this is what I have. So what I did in my case, because the one that came with the vehicle was too short, I made it a little bit longer. But after that you are going to put this. So after that you're going to have a remaining here, you know, like at least in my case it's like 10 inches, so that way you can see the toolbox over there. And then after that I'm going to show you how to grab it to here, you know, so that way it will not fly away when you are driving. So I'm going to leave in the video description everything, so that way you can buy it, or if you want me to do it for you, just bring it to me and then I can do it. So let's start. First we can put this. If you put it against the glass, you should be okay. With the ladder, same thing. If you have the plastic like I do, you will be okay. Otherwise you can put the blanket, something like that, so that way you will not scratch up the van. So we're going to put it here. In this case I have extended the rack already, so I have at least like 10 inches here to put it on this side. So I'm going to do that. I have done that the same thing in the other side, and it worked out great. So now we're going to grab this. We're going to put it here. If you have another guy, he can help it here. Otherwise I'm going to show you a tool that will help you to keep it in place, so that way you can do it yourself without depending on someone else. All right, I was able to put it over there without this tool. I'm going to show you how to use this tool later, and it worked out great. All right, as you can see, I'm going to use this tool that you see here, and I'm going to keep it in place, so that way you know how it is done. So basically you have to put this here, and then you start clamping this, and that should be enough at least to hold it in this place. And then I'm going to be working and putting the screws in the other side. I had the holes already, so I put these long screws. So I got this pipe like you saw, and the screws goes inside, as you can see over there. Once you put them there, then you can put the washers here and there, and then you put the nuts, and that's it. So in this case I'm going to put some locking washers, so that way it will stay in place. Right, it's just adjusted and is very well tight. And if you want, you could put maybe like a hook here, so that way you have more room instead of having this, or you can cut it here. It's up to you. I'm going to make a hole here, as you can see, another one here close to this, so that way I can put like a half U or omega like I did over there, and it will be better, so that way you don't have things protruding, and you will have more space in the whole rack. As you can see, with the caulking gun, you're going to put silicone on every hole, because this is a use toolboxes. It has some holes already, and wherever you have a screw, you put some silicone, we should be good. So now I have my ladder, I have my toolboxes on the side, and I'm ready to go now to the next customer.